What's up, guys? Today I have this intake manifold right here that I'm going to be spray painting wrinkle black or crinkle black, whatever you want to call it. So I'm basically going to show you how to properly prep and paint your manifold. Also, just realize that if you have a metal intake manifold, that the prep might be a little bit different for you because mine is plastic. So all I'm going to be doing is just sanding it down with like just a Scotch-Brite, just to scuff it up a little bit so it sticks a little better. Before I scuff it up, I'm actually going to mask it off with some blue masking tape. All the little ports and the nipples and stuff, all the bolt holes I need to cover up so I don't get anything in there. Then I will start scuffing, and then after we scuff, we can start the painting process. So as you can see, I have the whole thing masked off. I have all the openings and holes all completely covered. And now it is time to start scuffing it. And what I basically did with the tape was I just ran a razor blade around it to get a clean cut on all the holes so that the tape line would not be so dramatic. And yes, I came out with this. I just gave it a quick little scuff with the Scotch-Brite. It didn't need much because it was already smooth. I just wanted to give it some scratches so the paint would adhere better to it. I'm not going to bother painting the backside because first of all, you don't see it. And I feel like I don't need to because it's already black. I just want that wrinkle finish. So I'm going to start spraying the paint. If you have any other intake that's like rough or anything, you might have to do some more heavy sanding with it. I only did the Scotch-Brite because it was very smooth already and I really didn't need to get out any imperfections. When you spray wrinkle black or wrinkle plus, as this is from VHT, you can accelerate it by using a heat gun, and it makes it dry a lot faster. And it makes the texture, I feel, a little bit better. This is what the intake manifold looks like now, and it looks outstanding. I really love the texture this wrinkle black has. Hopefully this inspires some of you guys to also paint your intake manifold, or anything for that matter. This is super easy, and especially if you buy a new part like I did, it's easy to just paint it while it's off and then install it. This video was basically a how-to on painting your intake manifold or any other engine component. Just make sure you have high temp paint for the engine bay and you'll be golden. Like I said, it will be a little bit different depending on if you have a metal intake, metal part. You might have to sand a little bit more than I did, and if you have texture on your intake and you want it completely smooth, you might want to sand a lot. I think it came out pretty amazing. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it helps some of you, and I'll see you in the next one.